Hi, good morning dear students. Hoping everyone enjoying and hoping everyone good. Okay, fine. In this video we are going to learn about letter writing. You know something, letter writing is very important to learn everyone. And so before going to learn it, let us talk about few lines letter. You know something, letters are messages. So a letter express one person idea to another one. And in olden days, our ancestors used to write letters one another. But nowadays is not like that because we have number of electrical goods like mobile or Gmail, whatever may be it. Next, so because of that we are not using to write letters more. But nowadays also letters are taking very important place itself in the society. That's why we need to learn about how to write a letter. That's why I would like to teach you today. Okay, hoping everyone understand it. Okay, let us see here. I have written something on the board. First, the form of letters. So, how a letter forms? So, if you want to form a letter, what you need? You need 6 parts. You need 6 parts. So, what are they? First one, the heading. Second one, salutation. Third one, body of the letter. Fourth one, the subscription. Fifth one, the signature. Sixth one, the address on the envelope. These are the 6 important parts in every letter. But let us discuss about people, how they are writing letters. Number of people in the society nowadays writing letters one another. But are they writing in the proper way? Are they using proper ways and rules and regulations to write a letter? So definitely not. Because people are just writing letters with their own idea. But that is not correct. So we should not always go on with our own idea. We should definitely follow some rules and regulations. We have all rules and regulations in everyone. So in everything. That's why we should follow. But people are not knowing about them. Very few only writing a letter proper order, in a proper order. That is correct. But number of people are writing letters in proper order. That is not the correct way. Okay, fine. Let us know about these 6 parts one by one. First one, the heading. So basically, we should write in a letter heading right side of the first page. Right side of the first page. I will tell you later. First, let us discuss about all these 6 parts. Okay? So see here, I have written something. 24 by 4, Gandhi Nagar, Kurnool, 518-225. 2nd September 2020. It is a heading of a letter. So through this, what we can understand? So the receiver of a letter definitely can understand the letter came from where, and also when they wrote this letter, and where they wrote this letter. So these kind of ideas the receiver will get when he receives a letter. So because of that, this heading helps a lot to him. Okay, so it is called heading. Okay, students. So the heading we should write always right corner of the first page. That is very important. And here I have written something. 2nd September 2020. 2nd September 2020. September 2nd 2020. And we can write the date may be written any of these following ways. That is not mistake at all. So we can choose any way to write date. So that's why I would like to remind this. Okay? Now salutation. So salutation, we call this with another name greeting. What is that? Greeting. So we call that greeting also. So it is basically the form of greeting will depend upon the relation in which you stand to the person to whom you are writing. So that is very important. We need to understand. Basically, it's completely depend upon about our relation. So to whom we are writing letters. So basically, the relation, if any family relation, definitely the salutation takes place in the letter dear father or dear mother or dear uncle, dear auntie. So in that way it takes place in the letter. For suppose if you are writing a letter to your friend, the salutation should be dear Pawan Teja or dear Adya. So in that way it takes place. So if you want to write a letter to your business people, definitely the salutation takes its place in the letter dear sir or dear sirs. So it is all about salutation. So salutation always depends upon the relation between the two people who is writing letter and who is taking or receiving letter. So between their relation, the salutation depends upon that. So dear students, hope you are understanding it. Okay? Okay. Now body of the letter. So we call this with another name communication. What is that? Communication. And it is very important part in the letter. So because whatever we want to tell and what we would like to express, so everything we should get from the body of the letter. So that's why it is very important part in the letter. So that's why we definitely need some important points when we are going to write body of the letter in the letter. Okay, dear students, let us see here what are the important points what we remember. Okay, first, divide your letter into paragraphs. So sometimes you need to express a large or a huge idea. So that time in single paragraph is not fair at all to write. So we should divide that idea into paragraphs. So paragraph by paragraph. That is very important. That is one of the important point what we need to remember in the body of the letter. And the second one, use simple and direct language and short sentences. So we always try to write direct, used to write in body of the letter direct language. So we should not give any chance to write indirect language, because indirect language takes length sentence. So we should always try to write short sentences in this body of the letter. So that is very important. That's why. And we use simple words also, simple words and direct language. So that is very important thing here we need to remember. Next, C, try to be complete. It is very important. Some people always they complete their letter with the half-minded. That is not correct. We should always try to complete letter with the full idea. So some of the people, they usually write half of the idea in letter. So because of that, the receiver won't understand what you would like to express to him. So that is the main problem creates from there. So the receiver also won't get idea about your expressing anything. So please, hope you understand. Definitely try to be complete. We should give our complete idea in the letter. We should always try to write complete idea in the letter. That is why I would repeat all this once again. So try to be complete. Next, D, write neatly. It is very important. So if you don't have a good handwriting, the receiver won't read your letter properly, and maybe he was not unable to read your letter. So neat handwriting also very important for us to write a letter. So that's why write neatly. We should write whatever we would like to express. Everything we have to write with the neat handwriting. That is also very important. And E, mind your punctuation. It is very important. What is the people are doing? The best mistake is in the body of the letter. So they are simply writing letters. They are just writing their idea in the body of the letter, but they are not using punctuation. So punctuation means comma, full stop, hyphen, exclamation mark, question mark. So wherever this punctuation needed, we should write in the body of the letter. But people are not knowing about this. So my dear students, at least if you don't know, please learn now and remember next time to, whenever you go to write letter, definitely remember all these points in the body of the letter. So once again, I would like to repeat, body of the letter is very important in letter writing. So once again, I would like to read all this. So please look at very carefully. Divide your letter into paragraphs. Next, second point, use simple and direct language and short sentences. Third point, try to be complete. And fourth point, write neatly. And fifth point, mind your punctuation. So these are very important in the body of the letter. So it is called body of the letter, and body of the letter we call with another name communication, because we are communicating with the another person in this part only, in this part of the letter. So that's why we call this body of the letter with another name communication. So hope you are understanding this. Okay students. Next, fourth part, the subscription. So subscription should be like this. First point, the letter must not end simply with the writer's name. This would look rude. So basically, after completion of body of the letter, we should write subscription. But the letter should not complete, must not complete with the only writer's name. Because if we will do like that, that's look like rudeness. So certain forms of polite leave taking are prescribed. So what are they? So we should complete a letter. We should complete a subscription like this. These are such as your sincerely, your sincere friend, or your faithfully, etc., etc., etc. So in this way, so whenever you are taking leave from the letter, you should complete like this. So if you complete a letter, for suppose some people are doing after completion of body of the letter, just simply writing their name, but that is not correct. So after completion of body of the letter, we should write all this. So we should complete subscription with the right manner. So it is the manner we should complete. We always write your sincerely, or your sincere friend, or your faithfully, whatever may be, etc., etc. So in that way we should write subscription in the letter. Okay, next students, fifth one, the signature. So signature, this must come under the subscription. So signature always comes in a letter under the subscription. See, your faithfully, it is subscription. Already we know because we have just known about that. Okay, fine. So it is signature, adya. So signature always comes under subscription. That is very important. We need to remember. And second point in about signature, in letters to strangers. For suppose if we are writing letters to strangers, the signature should be clearly written. So we have to write our signature neatly with clear writing, so that the reader may know whom to address in reply. So whenever we are writing a letter to a stranger, our signature should be neat. So we should not write initial signature. That is not the way, because if you write initial signature, the reader may get confused to give his reply. So because of that, here the line is in letters to strangers, the signature should be clearly written, so that the reader may know whom to address in reply. So that's why if we write our signature with the neat handwriting, definitely the reader understand whom to send reply. Okay guys, are you understanding it? Okay, fine. And one more thing, if you want to give anything about women, we should write Miss or Mrs. If the woman is not get married, we write sometimes Kumari, or like this. So sometimes Srimati. So we should write about ladies like this. We should keep this before their name in the signature. Okay, I'm hoping you understood this. And one more thing, that is the sixth part we have left. Let us discuss about that. Okay students, it is the sixth part of the letter, the address on the envelope. It should be, the address on the envelope should be written clearly like this. So already you think it is called envelope. You feel it is an envelope. So in the envelope, the address should be clear. Email, postal stamp, of course, we paste a stamp here, and address is M. Pavan Teja, 71 by 3 Gandhinagar, Bandapalli, 518225. So India. So we should write address on the envelope like this. So dear students, it is the way we have to write a letter. So I'm hoping you can definitely from onwards you should write like this a letter. So we have to implement all these 6 parts in every letter. We should not forget this. So what the people are doing in the society, we should not do that, because they don't know how to write a letter. But today we know how to write a letter. So definitely I hope you can definitely implement all these points in every your letter, and I'm believing it very strongly, and I hope you enjoyed with this. In the next video we can learn through the letter. Okay, until then, see you, bye, and have a nice day everyone. Okay, we'll meet again in our next video.